Meet Lactifluus piperatus, commonly known as the peppery milkcap, a widespread woodland mushroom belonging to the Russulaceae family. This distinctive species appears from late spring through autumn, growing on the forest floor in association with living broadleaf trees through a mycorrhizal relationship. Recognizable by its pale cream to white coloration, crowded decurrent gills, and abundant white latex that emerges when damaged, it is best known for its intensely peppery taste. Its striking appearance and distinctive characteristics make it one of the more easily recognized milkcap mushrooms in the forest. Lactifluus piperatus is generally considered an edible mushroom only after proper preparation, though opinions on its culinary value vary widely. Its defining characteristic is the intensely peppery, burning taste of the flesh and latex, which makes it unpleasant to eat raw and far too pungent for most people when freshly collected. The mushroom produces abundant white latex that contributes to this sharp flavor. In some regions, particularly in parts of Eastern Europe, it has traditionally been prepared by boiling, soaking, pickling, or preserving in ways that reduce its pungency before consumption. These methods help remove much of the acrid taste that gives the species its common name. Lactifluus piperatus can also be dried, and in some regions drying has traditionally been used as a way to preserve the mushroom for later use. The drying process may reduce some of its sharp pungency while concentrating its aroma, allowing small amounts to be used as a seasoning or flavoring ingredient. However, the characteristic peppery taste usually remains noticeable even after drying, so the mushroom is often used more sparingly than milder edible species. The flesh is firm, dense, and relatively thick, allowing it to retain its texture well during preparation. Younger specimens are generally preferred, as they tend to be cleaner and less affected by age-related deterioration or insect activity. As with all wild mushrooms, accurate identification is essential before any culinary use. Lactifluus piperatus can resemble several other white milkcap species, some of which differ in taste and culinary value. Lactifluus piperatus is one of the most distinctive milkcap mushrooms, recognized by its pale coloration, crowded gills, and the abundant white latex released when the fruit body is damaged. The cap typically measures between 5 to 20 centimeters in diameter, although larger specimens are occasionally encountered. Young mushrooms usually have a convex cap with an enrolled margin, gradually becoming flattened and often developing a shallow funnel-shaped depression in the center as they mature. The cap surface is smooth, dry, and usually white to creamy white, sometimes developing faint buff or yellowish tones with age. Unlike many woodland mushrooms that display a variety of colors, the overall appearance of Lactifluus piperatus remains remarkably pale throughout its development. The gills are among the species' most important identification features. They are extremely crowded, narrow, and strongly decurrent, extending noticeably down the stem. Their dense arrangement often gives the underside of the cap a distinctive compact appearance that helps separate this species from many similar milkcaps. The stem is solid, firm, and relatively short compared to the cap diameter, typically measuring 3 to 8 centimeters in height and 1 to 3 centimeters in thickness. It is usually cylindrical or slightly tapered toward the base and shares the same white to cream coloration as the rest of the mushroom. When cut, broken, or damaged, the mushroom releases abundant white latex. This milky fluid does not usually change color significantly upon exposure to air and is responsible for the intensely peppery taste that gives the species its common name. The flesh itself is thick, white, and firm, remaining largely unchanged when cut. The odor is generally mild and not especially distinctive, although some specimens may develop a faint fruity or mushroom-like scent. The taste, however, is immediately noticeable, becoming strongly peppery and acrid after only a few moments. When considered together, the white funnel-shaped cap, extremely crowded decurrent gills, abundant white latex, firm white flesh, and intensely peppery taste create a combination of features make Lactifluus piperatus relatively easy to recognize among milkcap mushrooms in the field. Lactifluus piperatus is a mycorrhizal woodland species that develops in close association with living trees, forming a symbiotic relationship in which both partners exchange nutrients through the soil network. This dependence on host plants means it is always tied to vegetated, tree-rich environments rather than decomposing organic material. It is most frequently encountered in deciduous forests dominated by broadleaf trees such as beech, oak, and hazel, although it can also occur in mixed woodland where suitable partners are present. The species tends to favor stable, undisturbed habitats where soil conditions remain consistent over time. The mushroom typically grows directly from the ground, often emerging through leaf litter, moss, or low vegetation. Fruiting bodies may appear singly, scattered across an area, or in small loose groups, but it does not form dense clustered growth patterns. It shows a preference for nutrient-rich, moist to moderately dry soils, particularly in shaded environments with good humus development. Because of this, it is commonly found in mature forests, forest clearings, and occasionally in semi-natural or human-influenced areas such as parks and older landscaped green spaces where compatible trees are present. On a broader scale, Lactifluus piperatus is widely distributed across temperate regions of Europe and is also recorded in parts of Asia and North America, wherever suitable forest ecosystems exist. Lactifluus piperatus typically fruits from late spring through autumn, with the exact timing influenced by local climate, elevation, and seasonal rainfall. In warmer regions it may appear earlier in the year, while in cooler or higher altitude habitats it tends to develop later but can still persist well into autumn. This species generally develops under mild to moderately warm conditions, often in the range of approximately 10 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. Fruiting is frequently triggered by periods of increased moisture, especially after spring or summer rainfall following a warmer spell. Its appearance is closely tied to natural seasonal cycles and the stability of its forest habitat. Moisture is a key factor in fruit body development, with consistent humidity supporting more reliable and abundant growth, while prolonged dry periods can delay or limit fruiting. It is also influenced by soil and habitat structure. Lactifluus piperatus contains a modest nutritional profile typical of many wild woodland mushrooms, offering a combination of protein, dietary fiber, and a range of micronutrients. While it is not primarily valued as a staple food source, it still contributes to overall dietary diversity in regions where it is traditionally used. It provides small amounts of protein along with essential amino acids, supporting its role as a supplementary plant-based nutrient source. Like many wild fungi, it is also low in fat and contains no cholesterol. The mushroom contains various B-complex vitamins that play a role in normal metabolic processes, as well as minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and trace elements that contribute to general physiological function. Its carbohydrate content is largely made up of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health. However, due to its naturally strong and acrid taste, it is typically consumed in small quantities rather than as a primary food component. When processed or prepared using traditional methods such as boiling, pickling, or drying, some of its compounds become more concentrated, allowing it to be used more effectively as a supplementary ingredient rather than a main edible species. One of the most common errors when identifying Lactifluus piperatus is confusing it with other pale milkcap species that share a similar white coloration. Several related Lactifluus and Lactarius species can appear very similar in the field, especially when young or partially concealed by leaf litter. Another frequent mistake is relying too heavily on overall color. The pale appearance of this species can vary slightly depending on age and environmental conditions, which may lead to confusion if more reliable structural features are not carefully examined. Features such as the gill density, decurrent attachment, and the presence of abundant white latex are far more dependable than cap color alone. A key point of misidentification involves the latex reaction and taste. Some similar species may produce less abundant or differently behaving latex, while others lack the intense peppery character entirely. Overlooking these traits can easily result in confusion with milder or inedible lookalikes. Older specimens can also be misleading, as the cap may become irregular, slightly discolored, or more depressed in shape, while the gills can darken with age and accumulated spores. These changes may obscure key identification traits, making it necessary to evaluate multiple features together rather than relying on a single characteristic. That concludes our look at Lactifluus piperatus, a species that often goes unnoticed at first glance, but becomes much more interesting once you understand its traits and its role in woodland ecosystems. It's another reminder that even the more subtle forest fungi have their own story, shaped by the environment they grow in and the relationships they build underground. If you found this video interesting, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.